In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to put multiple pictures on Instagram story. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once in the home page, you're gonna find the option of add to story. Click on that. With that, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the picture that you wanna add to your story. So I have selected this one picture. Now you can drag it, customize its size and place anywhere on the screen in this way. Once you are done, now you can add other pictures. For that, click on this drop down. Now go ahead and select the option stickers. Select the option photo. With this, your gallery will open up. Now select another picture that you want to add to your story. So I'm gonna select this one picture. Now by tapping on it, you are able to select its shape. Once you do that, place it. You can increase or decrease its size. Now you can repeat the same process. Go to stickers again, select the picture, select its shape and place it. So this way you are able to put multiple pictures on Instagram story. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.